YouTube, what up? SGK23 Tv. We're going to get the G-rolls in out the way real quick, and we're going to get into this Stockx pickup unboxing and sneaker review. The Nike SB Air Force 2 Supreme Collabo in the Emerald colorway. Dope, $110. So hope you appreciate the review, the pickup, and the unboxing. Let's go. YouTube, what up, family? It's your main man on the trigger. SGK23 TV. What up, family? Peace, blessing to everybody. Yours truly, Rico, aka Kanan, your friend till the end. I just got back from the gym. It's late. Was gonna wait till tomorrow, but this is coming from Stockx, so I kind of wanted to see if everything is A1, sauced up. You dig? Before I get started, if this is the first video you tuned into, make sure you guys sub, hit the thumbs up, keep it real for the real ones, and the ones that keep it 100. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram. All the links, the information is below in the description box, always. And let's get right into it, man. Hit the bell icon, that way you guys get notified. Let's get into it. Guevara, Tupac, Amaru. That's me, family. Let's see. Hold on, let me check something real quick. Yeah, Detroit. So, I believe this is a Stockx pickup review. This, that, and the other. So I was just dealing with GOAT, right? Check this out. I was dealing with GOAT, and they did something where they messed up. If you guys sell or buy on GOAT, you know they give you the label to print out and ship out. They had messed up. They did something wrong with the label. Not my fault. I printed out the label, shipped it out the same day. It's been 5-6 days or something, and they're acting a little funny, asking for a discount for the buyer. Just a bunch of BS to me, to be honest with you guys. I think it was bad on their end, and they're trying to say that the sneakers had a weird odor. Just a bunch of BS. So I didn't know it was like that with GOAT and StockX, because I had a few purchases where I could have made a complaint, meaning like shoe tree missing, a little stain. I don't like it if I don't have the box price on the original box. That's a good example. But anyways, let's get into this Supreme Nike SB Air Force 2 lows, Supremes. So this is something for you guys that might be with the hype and all that stuff. Here goes some Supreme collaboration type of joints that you can get for 150 bucks or 120. I don't know the box price because they ripped it off. Nike SB box. I might get all of these. I haven't seen them in person. I just kind of want to see what the yellow one looks like. Anyways, these should be the teal ones, obviously. So let's check it out. Stockx pickup. Bing, bing. Stockx. Let me see. Here we go. Nike SB Air Force 2 Low Supreme. Blue, new emerald, white, new emerald. 10 US. That stock, $110. $123 ship. Hypebeast, Supreme, whatever you want to call it. Here you go. You guys can get you some Supreme collabos. Good prices. And as people start copping them, they keep going up. Now, I might have a bone to pick, because I do believe these come with the Supreme bag? Or am I tripping? Comment below. Shouldn't I have a white bag with the box red Supreme logo right here? DS. The thing that I liked about these is the patch on the tongue, which stained right there. So since they gave me a hard time in regards to saying like my shoes had odor, they said like cigarette marijuana odor. I don't smoke in my sneaker room or anything like that, and 90% of my sneakers are shrink wrapped once I'm done with them. I'm going to contact them. Man, this one too, it's not a big deal, but I think that is probably because they probably were rubbing against each other. There's your Stockx hang tag. Here's your extra pair of laces. Uptowns, 2. Now see, I was heavy into these. These are nothing new to me. Air Force One. When these rocked out, I used to lace from here to here to here and tie them. So I've always been into these. Just never the crazy colors like the Knicks, the all white, white and red. Oh, maybe later on I'll pull some of those out from 10 years back, like the Rockefeller days. And we'll take a look at some other ones. Like I said, pair of laces. Once again, comment below. Let me know. Doesn't each box come with the white bag? I guess in this case it's like a dust bag, but it's just the white Supreme bag with the box Supreme logo. Don't these come with that, each pair, or am I bugging? Comment below. But real quick, let's review the sneakers, because for a lot of you guys, this is, I mean, the SB Air Force 2s are dope kicks. They've always been made well, and for some of you guys that might be young or not into them, you know, and the Supreme might do it for you guys. Yo, here you go. You know, I think the brown ones are my favorite colorway out of the 4. Maybe the orange, or maybe these. I don't know. We'll see when I run through. But they're SB Air Force 2s. All leather. We have the swoosh over like the see-through wrap that you would put on a car type of deal over the net, the perforated netting. Supreme right there. Good quality. Got that polyurethane on the back. World on this one. We'll have Famous on the other Supreme, other side as well. The tongue is my favorite thing. You guys know I love patches. I love when the tags, the tabs, the patches on the tongues are done dope. And in this case, it's just extra. Nike, swoosh, SB, Air Force 2 Supreme box logo. I just love patches. When they're dope on the tongue, to me is a world famous. Everything good with the quality. To be honest with you guys, and I'm gonna hit the light for the insole. The main pickup for these was I wanted the Supreme bag, the white bag that comes with it. Please comment below if all 4 of them come with the bag, because if they do, since they're complaining about me and making up stuff, I want the bag if they're supposed to come with the bag. And I don't like those things, since they're being picky and making up lies because they're messing up with their labels. I'm gonna do the same thing, but with merit. But let's hit the light so we can look at the inside. Lights on. The hang tag, of course. Is it Nike SB Supreme? I feel like it's been taken off and on because it should hang like that, but who knows? No big deal. I just feel like if you're getting sneakers to resell and it's dead stock, don't mess with them. You know what I'm saying? Maybe get a better look. Tongue. Now you can see that over the perforation. That should have been red. Come on, you know what I mean? I got a bunch of outfits that'll match this. All right, let's look at the insole. I know you got. Again, for me, one of the dopest jump offs of this was the actual bag, the insole, and the tongue. That's what sold it for me. Or that's kind of why I wanted the shoes. So obviously, we're missing an R, but the R would be half of this and half of the other shoe, so it doesn't make it out. You know what I'm saying? Supreme. You don't get the R. No size tag on this one? No men's size 10 on that one? Just on this one. So yeah, man. Extra laces. Once again, didn't do too much research. Didn't do much but look at them on the internet. I don't know if these supposed to come in a bag. What I do know, or what I seen, is that these are always displayed with a white dust bag, but not a dust bag, it's just a white Supreme bag with the box logo that says Supreme. Maybe that's if you got it in person, so you get the Supreme bag, or they all come with it. From what I've seen, it's inside the box. So please comment below if you got them, if you know, let me know. Do these, the yellow, the brown, the teal, and the orange, do they come with the Supreme bag? Am I missing it? Or that's only if I would have bought it in person? In other words, I'm asking the seller who sold these, the Stockx, who sold them to me, did he keep the bag? That's what I'm asking. Because if I'm supposed to have the bag, then I'm going to contact Stockx with merit and let them know no bag. Kind of how they did me, but they did me with lies. Buyers trying to get over. Contact them and request 10% off, deducted, credit, whatever. So you have your OG tag snatch on there as well, and the Nike one on there as well. World famous, the teal joint, not much to it. Great shoes, real OG classic. For a guy that's familiar, family in Harlem, DC, Air Force One, Air Force Two, the SBs. It's a good look for me. Supreme pickup, Stockx review pickup, Stockx pickup, all in one. Great look. $100, $110. Here you go, guys. You guys with the hype, etc., etc. You guys can grab you some Supremes. Collaboration with some SBs, Air Force 2s for $150. Once again, they're going up in price. There's the hang tag. Be careful with the square hang tags, because you guys watched the video on the fake Stockx hang tags. I have a video on that. They're circular now. I believe there should be a card signed by somebody in the box. We got the laces. Let me see. No card. You have that sticker over there. Alright, yeah. So no box price, jump off. Let me see. And we do have, oh yeah, I guess this is it. The other ones before were a white one, and they were signed. This is not it. This is the one to tag them on IG or social media. Here's a sticker. I do have the receipt and the invoice, but I don't have the authentication little card. Once again, these are not big deals at all. This is not big issues at all. But if you say something is done a certain way, I expect it to be done in a certain way. So once again, I'm asking for you guys' help. Comment below if I'm supposed to get the white bag. You guys that have them, bought them in person, or watch reviews, or done, your research, etc., etc., you guys know what I'm talking about. It's a white bag with the Supreme Box logo on it. Usually it's displayed inside the box. Clean shoes. Really nice. I think the brown ones are the next ones. Super fly. Super dope. I just hit you guys with those. Look at the colors. What we got here. Let me know, you millennials, young bucks, what do you guys think of the Air Force 2/SB? The Dunk Air Force 2s. Good quality, man. Very affordable, very cheap. Alright, family. That's it. Peace and blessings. Subscribe, like, share, comment, hate. Do what you do. And catch me on the next one. Comment in regards to the bag. Let me know if you guys like the kicks. Let me know if you guys like the video. Let me know what I can do to improve the channel. Let me know if you guys like the G-rolls at the end. Once again, comment, interact with me. SGK23 TV Network. Diego Fuego, Rico, Day, D, aka Kanan, your friend till the end. The Heat for Day show. Stay tuned. I'll be back tomorrow. Keep it 100, especially with yourself. Peace.